In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert portrait style slides in a landscape presentation in Google Slides. This is a great way to create dynamic and visually appealing presentations that stand out. Now let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account. This is crucial because it gives you full access to all the Google Slides features you need to follow along with these steps. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. On this homepage, you'll see options to start a new presentation. You can either click on blank to start from scratch or choose a template that suits your theme. Click on your preferred option to open a new presentation file. Now that you have your presentation open and ready to go, let's proceed to the next step, which involves adjusting the layout settings. First, navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for Page Setup and click on it. This will open the page setup window where you can change the orientation of your slides. Here you might notice the default setup is set to widescreen 16.9, which gives you the landscape orientation. But what we want is to mix things up by adding portrait slides. To do this, simply click on the drop down menu labelled widescreen 16.9 and select the custom option. You'll see a box where you can input custom dimensions. Enter the width as 7.5 inches and the height as 10 inches. This will change the orientation to portrait. Press apply to see the changes reflected on your slide. Now you have a portrait slide in a presentation that generally would have had landscape slides. It's as simple as that. The great thing about this feature is that any new slide you create within this section will now automatically adopt the portrait orientation, allowing you to seamlessly integrate both landscape and portrait slides in a single presentation. Remember, balancing visuals in your presentation makes it more engaging for your audience and allows you to creatively display information. You can use the portrait orientation to highlight key information, create impactful title slides, or showcase tool infographics and photos. That's it for today's tutorial. You've learned how to customize your Google Slides presentation to include portrait slides within a landscape format. This skill is just another tool in your arsenal for creating professional, captivating presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.